Most women wear lace and Ankara, but still don't look expensive. And it's not because they don't have good fabric. It's because they don't understand one thing: how to mix fabrics like a rich woman. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method rich women use to combine lace and Ankara and instantly look elegant, classy, and expensive. If you've ever worn a beautiful outfit but didn't feel confident, this video is going to change that. Let's get into it. Now, let me tell you something most people won't say. You can wear the most expensive lace, the finest Ankara, and still look cheap. Yes, cheap. Because luxury is not about what you wear. It's about how you style it. Rich women don't just wear clothes. They style with intention. They understand balance, color, structure, and detail. And today, I'm breaking all of that down for you. Make sure you stay till the end, because I'm also going to show you the biggest mistakes that instantly make your outfit look cheap and how to fix them. Let's start with rule number 1, balance. This is where most women get it wrong. When mixing lace and Ankara, one fabric must lead and the other must support. If your Ankara is bold, colorful, and busy, your lace should be simple, clean, and structured. If your lace is heavy, detailed, and dramatic, your Ankara should be calm and minimal. Rich women never compete fabrics. They create harmony. That's what gives that effortless, expensive look. Now let's talk about color. If you want to look expensive, this is non-negotiable. Stick to 2 or 3 colors maximum. No more. Rich women don't dress loud, they dress intentional. Think of colors like beige, cream, black, wine, and gold. These tones instantly elevate your look. They make your outfit look polished and put together. Now here's something you must understand. Fabric quality matters. You cannot fake quality. Cheap lace will always look cheap. It won't hold shape, it won't sit properly, and it will bring your entire outfit down. But high quality lace, it stands out. It looks rich without trying. And the same goes for Ankara. When your fabric is premium, your entire outfit changes. If you want to get quality Ankara fabrics, lace, handbags, shoes, clutches, and jewelry that instantly upgrade your look, check the affiliate links in my description. I've selected pieces that give you that classy, expensive finish without the stress of searching everywhere. Now let's move to something powerful: fit. This is where everything comes together. Even the most expensive fabric will look cheap if it doesn't fit well. Rich women wear tailored outfits. Their clothes sit perfectly. Their waist is defined. Their outfits flow cleanly. Nothing looks random. Everything looks intentional. That's how you create presence. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Shula's Fashion World. This channel is all about helping you look elegant, confident, and expensive every time you step out. Now let's talk about accessories, because this is where the transformation really happens. A simple outfit can become luxurious just by adding the right accessories. Think about gold jewelry, a structured handbag, clean heels, a classy clutch. These details complete your look. They tell people you understand style. And if you want those pieces that instantly elevate your outfit, make sure you check my affiliate links in the description. You'll find beautiful handbags, shoes, clutches, jewelry, and Ankara fabrics that will take your style to the next level. Now let's talk about mistakes, because avoiding mistakes is just as important as doing things right. Mistake number 1, too many patterns. This makes your outfit look busy and uncoordinated. Mistake number 2, clashing colors. If your colors don't align, your outfit loses elegance immediately. Mistake number 3, poor tailoring. We've talked about this, but it's worth repeating. Fit is everything. Mistake number 4, cheap accessories. Even if your outfit looks good, cheap accessories will ruin the entire look. Avoid these mistakes and you'll already stand out. Now imagine this, a simple Ankara outfit. Nothing special. Now upgrade it. Refine the colors. Improve the fit. Add a lace combination. Add gold jewelry. Carry a structured handbag. Wear clean heels. Now look at it again. That is no longer basic. That is powerful. That is confident. That is expensive. And that is the transformation we're creating here. Because style is not just about clothes. It's about how you feel. It's about how you show up. When you look good, you feel powerful. When you feel powerful, people notice. If you're ready to step into your rich auntie era, go ahead and subscribe to Shula's Fashion World right now. Like this video and drop a comment saying Rich Auntie. I want to see who is serious about upgrading their style. And don't forget, everything you need to elevate your look, your handbags, shoes, clutches, jewelry, and Ankara fabrics is linked in my description through my affiliate links. Go check them out and start building your expensive look today. Thank you for watching. And remember, you don't need more clothes. You just need better.
You don't need more clothes. You just need better styling. I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to the world of beauty and grace, where style shines bright on every face. Confidence rising, crowns unfurled, step inside Shula's fashion world. Shula's fashion world. Way. Oh, Shula's fashion world.